Hey everyone, Dr. H, your friendly wargame guy at the Air Command and Staff College, and I'm here to say a brief word about interdiction. Interdiction is a special kind of strike that you can choose to undertake. The way that you would undertake it is that you're going to take an airplane and it's going to have a strike value. The way the chart works is obviously this is going to be taken care of largely by the adjudicator, but the way the chart works, we're going to find our terrain that we're trying to that's the hex we're trying to interdict. We find the strike value that's going the plane that's going to give us a column. We roll the die, we apply a few DRMs, and that'll give us a 1 or a 2. So if it's a 1, we place an interdiction 1 marker, and if it's a 2, we place an interdiction 2 marker. Now you may ask yourself the question, why would I choose to interdict a hex? That seems like a lot of effort for just placing a marker. Here's what an interdiction does. And this is why you should think about it. What interdiction does is two things. One, it increases the number of movement points required to enter that hex by the interdiction value. So if you get an interdiction of 1, it's plus 1 movement points to enter a hex. If it's 2, it's plus 2 movement points to enter a hex. The other thing it does is that it eliminates and makes impassable all the roads. So for example, right, you've got this nice primary road running from Wonsan down the coast here in North Korea. But if it's interdicted, not only do you have to now pay an additional interdiction marker number of movement points into that hex, you can't use the road. So, for example, even if you wanted to enter this plains hex, if you want to enter this hex here, right, normally the road means you'd only pay half, without which you're going to pay 1 movement point for the planes, and then either 1 or 2 based on the interdiction marker. That's not a lot for the planes. What if I did it to this rough hex, though? Or this mountain road hex here, right, that I've got here, right? Or somewhere that the enemy is anticipating using this road network. That's the power of interdiction, right? I can take large chunks of the enemy road network out, force supplies around. If they're on an extended supply tether, I can eliminate their supplies and put units out of supply. And that's really cool, and I recommend doing it to people when you get the opportunity and you see the chance. So this has been a quick video about interdiction. I hope this has been helpful, and maybe you'll interdict some supply lines by air very soon. See you in the next one.